We're excited to be here at ProMat 2025 Chicago. It's exciting for Leadec to be able to showcase our conveyor integration services. Here at our booth, we have a couple different conveyors set up, very common conveyors that we utilize. Leadec as a brand has grown widely amongst our customer base in general manufacturing and automotive. This booth gives Leadec the opportunity to showcase our capabilities to a wider customer base. Here at our booth, you can see the technology that we employ. You can see our relationships with other global service providers and the way that Leadec brings it together and leads that effort. When Leadec executes a project for a customer, we do so with their needs in mind. It's our desire to design, build, and integrate lasting conveyance systems that meet our customers' needs, that stay running, they're efficient, they meet cycle time. It's our goal and desire to deploy our engineering capabilities to design and build equipment that lasts. That's what we enjoy doing, that's what we're very good at.